Hello guys, good morning. So concerning the last video that I made a mistake. I forgot to add something very crucial. The mobile application actually uses what is it called? It assesses the device storage. So let me run this guy again. Let's see because he did something of storage there. So I'm just going to quickly launch it and let's see how this thing goes. So I'm going to go back, then go to settings. I was just going through it. Then when I click on change paths, path change successfully. I don't know actually this, but it should open something for me. Maybe he did not use file manager, but here he actually used something close to file manager, right? If it's emulating it, I don't know. But I'm going to check something real quick here. Add classes. Okay, this one is not relevant. What am I looking for now? Let's check out exam practice. Get started. Oh no, I don't know where he actually dropped his file manager. I'm going to look for this. Okay, I'm gonna click OK here. Maybe it should be somewhere here. Yeah, nothing is happening. This should be where you can upload files of something he was talking about. So I'm going to do a dirty job right now by going to my terminal and launching the application from my system. Let me see actually if it's going to open file manager. So I'm going to do Python 3.7 main.py. Let's see for ourselves if it actually used file manager. This is it should be on video class back timetable. Oh god, where? Oh shit. CGPA. Okay, this is it. Okay, actually he didn't handle file manager well. Whether he handles that or not, I'm going to show you guys something here because I think he's still going to handle file manager. On these Android permissions, put a comma and add this. Read external storage and write external storage. Look at it very well and change accordingly. Then go to your app here. There's something we're going to add up here. Let me copy it straight from my own application. Where's my main.py? Yeah. So look at what I'm looking for here. I'm just going to copy this straight. Please look carefully and see what I changed because I'm not going to repeat this. Yeah. So actually we're going to request for Android permission if immediately the app starts because it's going to request for storage permission. As first, if you don't give a storage permission, you can't access the mobile storage device. I mean the mobile storage application or whatever that controls the storage. So you're going to do this from Android, the permission, import permission, request permission. So you now request the permission here, permission to read external storage and permission to write external storage. As we just added here. Before you do that, you must add this, read external storage and write external storage. So I'm going to build this application again. So I'll quickly pause the video. Okay guys, I forgot to add something up here. Please do add this from Kivy. Import platform. Actually the application crashed when I ran the application. So save it. Yeah. So everything should be fine. let me go ahead and start rebuilding it again. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here. Right now, guys, I'm about to launch this application. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's use this to monitor our movements on the application. All right, I'm gonna open this and scroll my hand to the application. This guy. Now let's see what we got here. It's going to request for a permission right now. Yeah. So can you see that? So are we going to allow it? Not. If you don't allow it, when you open it next time, it's still going to show you that until you allow it. When you allow it, it's not going to disturb your life anymore. So we're going to go straight and allow it. Now let me check if this thing works on mobile. Let me check if we gave it this. So I'm going to say, okay, are you going to work? Yeah, it worked. So this is our storage. So this is our storage here, right here now, and this is my file storage, file manager. So cool. So this is my Telegram. Let me kind of like try to plug in a PDF and see if everything is in full shape. Yeah, let me plug in this. Pray I did not get any error. I don't know why it's loading that thing, but maybe not. Unrecognized. Please confirm file. I try again. Unrecognized PDF. Awesome. How is that unrecognized? Okay, I'm going to do something real quick. I think I'm with one of his PDFs that he sent me. Yeah, demo PDF. I'm going to send this to my phone and open it. Right? Okay, I'm just keep enjoying the music while I send it to my phone. Yeah, I'm tired of passing and playing. I'm playing. Okay. Now let me open my mobile phone here, and I'm going to paste this guy here. Yeah. So I think it's done real quick. Our phone just disappeared. I'm going to continue the logcat, and I'm going to open our mobile device here. Boom. Yeah, demo.pdf. Let's see what's going on, if it is going to work or not. Hope you're enjoying the music. Is this going to work? I don't know. Yeah, I don't actually know what it did here. It's a bit crazy, right? Let me just... No, I'm not gonna pass. To make the video not to be long, Casey, just pass the video. Alright, so I'm going to pause, guys. Alright, guys, it has been loading like forever, so I'm going to stop here. And it's nice doing this tutorial with you guys. Really. Okay, see you in my next video.